Hey, good morning, Math 8 students. I hope you are ready to have a terrific Tuesday. Um, Here's the deal. Pythagorean theorem word problems. I know we hear the word word problems and we go, oh, I hate word problems. I get that. I'm right there with you usually. However, this one really is not that difficult because even though it's in a word problem format, they actually build the problem out for you. So here's something I always suggest to students to do whenever you have a word problem. So if they give you a word problem like this one right here, I always suggest for you, when they give you that word problem, draw it out. So you can see they've already done it for you. Typically, when you take like an MCA test or something like that, though, it's not drawn out for you. You should always draw it out like this because it makes it so much easier. If they just told you, gave you this and said, hey, find that third side of this, you would go, oh, that's easy. I just used the Pythagorean theorem, which by now you're pretty good at. So you would take your A side of 40, your B side of 198. You would square both of those to get these huge numbers. Add those two together to get this huge number right here. Take the square root of that and you'd go, oh, my C side is 202. So over here you'd just simply type in, my answer is 202, 202 meters. Pretty simple. So if they give you the two smaller sides, again, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. If they don't give you the two smaller sides, and instead they give you one of the larger sides than that, then it's not A squared plus B squared. Instead, that's right, it's C squared minus A squared. So we take our C squared side of 5 squared minus 2 squared will equal our B side squared. So 25 minus 4, oh, excuse me, hold on. Sorry about that. 25 minus 4 is 21. Take the square root of 21. Ugh, square root of 21. That turns out to be 4.58257 dot dot dot. That's a nasty number. And guess what? Con doesn't want it there. You see where it says here, round your answer to the nearest tenth of a kilometer? Well, tenth of a kilometer, if we round this to the nearest tenth, so this part right here, oops, and I just highlighted that out, I guess. Oh well, but you understand. Round this to the nearest tenth, so the 8 would tell the 5, round up one, because this is your tenth right here. But remember, you always got to look to the number to the right of it, and the 8 tells the 5, you better go up one. So this one rounds off to 4.6. That's actually probably the trickiest part of this whole problem. Our answer for this one, how come that 4.6? I don't know why the 4.6 is way down here. 4.6 should be right here. Anyways, that's probably the trickiest part of the whole thing today, guys. I don't think this one will take you too long to do. Hopefully you're enjoying this online learning. Hopefully it's going well for you. I think Khan does a great job of this. I think I'm doing fabulous on teaching this. At least I hope you agree with that. Guys, have a great Tuesday. Do your Khan. Shouldn't take you very long. And then knock out the rest of your classes to the best of your ability. And we will see you again tomorrow. Take care.